Hello guys, this is Keyapp, platform for app keywords promotion at App Analytics. In the previous video, we have discussed the technical settings of the campaign for Android app promotion, and today we would like to discuss a little bit the strategy and how to choose the strategy for your application to get the maximum results and to get the top positions in the search. Of course, to attract more organic users and to make the app more visible to organic users. In the previous video, which can be found with the following link, we have discussed the difference between ad order and ad campaign sections for Android applications. And as I said previously, today we would like to pay attention to the strategy of promotion. So let's start with campaign settings, but paying more attention to strategy already. Here read the same blog in our pages. So you just need to choose this store, to choose which is Google Play, as we discussed Google Play today, which is the application, and choose the country where we would like already to promote an application. If we are talking about the amount of days, Google Play algorithms work the way that they actually like long campaigns. So they need app to get installs for the keyword for a long period of time to give an increase in the positions. So mostly we recommend to set 5-7 days campaigns for Google Play as a minimum. So let's change the amount of days to 7. Then we should choose the keywords. Before choosing the keywords and any type of promotion, you should proceed with the keyword research. We also have the video about this. So let's add some keywords to the platform. For Google Play, it is better to promote the keywords of one semantic group together. Under semantic group, we mean the keywords with the similar core. For example, we have drawing app, and in our case, some more relevant keywords will be drawing app, drawing online. So for Google Play, it is better to promote them together, as we see according to the statistics at our platform that in such cases, the keywords increase in positions faster and more efficient. So I have added drawing app, then I'm adding drawing and drawing online. So also for Google Play, it is important not to set the same amount of installs for each day of campaign. It is better to increase this amount. Like for App Store, it is not needed, as you should understand that Google Play and App Store algorithms are working completely different, and installs should be applied differently to give actually the same result to get top positions. So for Google Play, it is better to set the amount of installs with an increase. For example, at the first day, you may set 10-15 installs if the positions are low, because it is needed to remember that the amount of installs applied depends also on the positions of your app for the chosen keywords and of course on the keyword popularity. You should remember that the higher the popularity is, the more difficult it will be to promote the app for such a keywords. To check the popularity, you may just go to my keyword section and get all the details: popularity, traffic, and app position for the chosen keyword. Also, it is needed to remember that it is more difficult to promote apps in top. It may be thought that if the app occupies, for example, 100 plus positions, it will be more difficult to promote. No, it is more difficult to promote apps in top 20 already, because the competitiveness between apps for the particular keywords are higher, and mostly in top positions more installs are needed. So before choosing the amount of installs, remember about this fact. But in our case, the app occupies not top 20 positions, the positions are low. So for Android, we can start with 10-15 installs and increase this amount every day for 25-30%. For example, at the first day we set 15 installs, the next day it will be already 18, the third 22, and so on. That was the basic principles of Android app promotion, with the amount of days, amount of installs, and everyday increase. But anyway, if you need any help with a strategy, just contact our support team and we will be happy to help. Boost your app to top with Keyapp.